Today, I did something that once scared me. I went freediving. Hello! Welcome to Dreamverse. This is our day 2. As someone who didn't grow up as a swimmer, the ocean used to feel overwhelming, malalim, tahimik, unknown.
Mga sa dagat. Andito po kami sa Binokboko. Nagstay sa Control Dive Resort. Ayan po ang Bangkana Resort. Ayan. Bago umuwi, rat-rat muna. Bago mag-breakfast, ligo muna.
But today, I chose to trust myself. One deep breath in, and I let go. Pagbaba ko sa ilalim, everything became quiet. No noise, no pressure, just me, my heartbeat, and the sound of the water moving. And at this point, sasabit yung snorkel before, may kita nyo na hindi naman siya ganun nagpanik. So, sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag nagda-diving, sarili mo ang kalaban mo. At this point, practice muna. One breath hold at a time. Free diving taught me na hindi ito paramihan ng lalim. It's about control. Isang steady inhale, slow exhale, calm the heart. Habang nag-hold ako ng breath, I remind myself na relax lang. Dapat hindi panic, no rush, and then, yun, equalize. Dahan-dahan, consistent, hindi pwedeng pilitin, hindi pwedeng biglaan, because underwater, control is everything. Muscle memory yung pinaka-goal ko. And pag nasa ilalim na, yun, automatic na. Breathe, relax, equalize, repeat. It's not glamorous, it's repetitive. But this is where confidence is built. Iniisip ko na every practice session is me choosing discipline over ego. Kasi sa free diving, the real flex isn't depth. It's all about calmness. Sabi ko nga parang kahapon lang takot ako sa malalim Alam mo yun yung feeling na unknown, yung hindi mo alam or kayang kontrolin yung isang bagay. Pero ngayon, I chose to trust myself. Every kick pababa felt like, alam mo, letting go of old fears. Every second na hawak ko ang hininga ko, that was a reminder na mas malakas na ako ngayon.
You okay?
Tapos sabi ko, this birthday isn't just about getting older. It's about becoming braver, softer, stronger, and from being scared of on the water to finding peace in it. Isa sa pinaka nahirapan ako sa freediving is yung knock dive. Sa videos, ang dali lang tignan. One smooth motion, then diretso pababa. Pero yung sa totoo lang, ang hirap niya pala. Every time I tried na hindi ako lumulubog, parang binabalik ako ng tubig sa ibabaw. Minsan kulang sa angle, minsan kulang sa momentum, minsan naman nagmamadali ako. And that's when I realized na duck dive is not about strength talaga. It's about technique. First, proper body position. Dapat straight line ka, core engagement, and then yung second naman, strong but controlled kick upward. Kala ko magiging madali kasi nga nagbubundok naman na ako. Pero, ayun, hindi ko siya maayos. Before flipping down, kailangan may momentum ka pa. Then, nakatak ka dapat. Yung kamay mo, yun yung manobela mo, hands down yun. And use the weight of your upper body para mag-aid ka nun underwater. And higit sa lahat, dapat relax ka and hindi ka magpapanik. After ng morning session namin, umahon na lang muna kami for a while para mag-almusal. Yes, hindi pa kasi kami kumakain during
Alright.
that time. Gusto namin matry ng gaan kami, yung wala pa kaming kain. And ayan, nag-picture taking muna kami dyan.
Coach Mark! Hi, Coach!
Actually, kapag nagda-dive ka, parang hindi ka magugutom kasi nakakalunok ka ng tubig dagat. Burp ako ng burp. Pagbalik namin after breakfast, first task agad is duck dive, then touch the sun. No warm-up dive, as in no drama, straight to the challenge. Medyo kabado kasi alam ko na duck dive pa lang, kailangan smooth na. Kapag sablay yung entry, nahihirapan na agad bumaba. One deep breath, relax the shoulders, and then focus. Position, strong kick up, flip, then hands down. This time, hindi na ako nakikipaglaban sa tubig. Hinayaan ko lang yung body ko mag-flow. Then, slowly, nararamdaman ko na yung pagbaba. Tahimik, controlled, yung equalize, dahan-dahan. Habang papalapit ako sa seabed, nakikita ko na yung buhangin. And then, yun, they touch the sun. Simple task lang siya, pero
You
for me,
okay?
it meant progress. From struggling to duck dive before to confidently descending and reaching the bottom. Di man sobrang lalim, but I felt deep enough for growth. Minsan the biggest wins starts with simple instructions. Duck dive, touch the sand. Nung una, sobrang frustrating siya. Paulit-ulit na try, paulit-ulit na fail, but one dive, biglang nag-click. Smooth entry, tuloy-tuloy na pagbaba, no struggle. Doon ko na-realize, progress doesn't happen
Nice
in
one.
one perfect try. It happens in repetition. Duck dive taught me patience, taught me humility, and taught me that sometimes you don't need more force. You need better control. Ngayon, every smooth descent reminds me kung gaano kalayo na yung narating ko from fighting the water to flowing with it. It's crazy how peaceful it feels underwater. Parang the world pauses for a moment. I saw corals up close, school of fish swimming freely. For the first time, I didn't feel fear. I felt alive. Free diving isn't just about going deep. It's about learning to stay calm, to control your mind, and to trust your body. Every dive reminded me growth feels uncomfortable at first, but once you surrender to it, you realize you're stronger than what you think. From being scared of the water to falling in love with it. I think this won't be my last dive because today I didn't just dive into the ocean, I dove into a braver version of myself.